So hello friends, how are you all? And basically welcome in the stream. Welcome in stream. So currently I'm now resetting my computer and reinstalling everything, so that's why, and it takes some time. I'm just copying my all file, that's why. So how are you all? My question is this, and good morning bro. Buzz game, hello Romadash, hello game Dave, hello bro, hello. How are you all guys? Waiting for your new game, shooting TTP game. Yes, I'm also, but correctly now is working on some other projects. That's why, as you can see, I'm just copying my all file to my new disk because it's like by a new SSD, as you can see. So that's why. So now I'm shifting my full computer, kind of like all the files and project, that's why. So I need to reset up my all this stuff, okay, that's why. Buzz game kobe pabo bhai দেখো বাজ গেমের কথা আমি যেমন কি ভিডিওতে বললাম, দ্যাট বাজ গেমটা আপাতত আমার মাথায় আমি রাখতেছি না, বিকজ বাজ গেম বানানি অত সোজা না এবং অনেক অ্যাসেটস মডেলস এবং অনেক কিছু লাগবে। তার পাশাপাশি একটা জিনিসের কোয়ালিটি মেনটেন করতে গেলেও কিন্তু টাইম লাগতেছে, ঠিক আছে? সো এই কারণে বেসিকলি হ্যালো, হাউ টু মেক গেম লাইক Valorant and Valorant made in UE. Yes, I know that Valorant making UE4. Maybe it's making Unreal Engine 4, not 5, as I know that Valorant. Let me copy. I had the game that is look kind of like this game is look like CS:GO. Maybe if you play it or check, that is look like fully kind of like a CS:GO game copies, but it's for a low device, can support Ito games, then game platforms. There's some, let me check the Wikipedia. And what is the game engine? As you can see, that as I said, that's making Unreal Engine 4. Yeah, it's making Unreal Engine 4. Okay. Bro, the application you release in Play Store, the car asset pack, is 1.4 GB file from Epic Store, but in your game size is 308 MB. Please tell me I can't do that. I'm trying for a month. Bro, you need to basically optimize your game, kind of like if you check the texture quality of the asset packs, you find that is a 4K texture, that is 4084, kind of like that. So you need to compress this thing to 1024. Then make sure also that, because Android can't give super high quality, so you need to reduce some quality, kind of like resolution, and kind of like, if I say more, that the shadow quality and other stuff. If you can compress that stuff, so you can get a less quality of game size. Also you need to just optimize some your project, that for that you can set it to desktop console, to mobile console. Then you can set the preset quality also to maximum. And then one more thing, you can export this thing to shipping mode, so it will be also reduce your game size more. I try to make a video about that how you can basically reduce your game size, okay, kind of like 125 MB to 66 MB. That is so much reduce. So I will be make video, I just need some time. Why you don't make Hindi video? Because I am poor in English. Because me also poor in English. That's why I didn't make, or don't make any kind of Hindi videos, because I also want to learn English, and that's why. Yes, how to make game fake coin to buy outfits or guns skin like PUBG. You can basically, the fake coin is basically kind of like a database, okay. If I show you, like currently I'm using the Firebase, okay. Firebase is the biggest database for any of game or kind of like anything. You can just, so what's in PUBG or any game like Fortnite or Valorant, everything what is a game, they have a simple database, okay, that is called a real-time database. So every real-time database have their basically the section just like that. So just think that you have a add a plus, okay, let me just delete this stuff. So basically kind of like that, they have a coin data, that coin coin, and the value is 100, okay, so or the 100 or 10. So just like that they have a database. So if any user have only 10 coins for or just think that there's a gun skin, okay, the gun skin price is only 10. So what it will do, when the process will be done, the balance section, it will be minus from 100 coin to basically okay 90. So the database will be uploaded, so you can basically use this reference, kind of like PUBG, like the UC system, or at the Fortnite use the VWorks. So basically the same, okay, they use the same of database process with collect system. Okay, also on collection, that is a very tricky ones, because you need to make the database that it will be can access the database, it will can add coins, it will be can delete coins, it can get the reference of the coins. So you need to make that system. So for that you need need blueprint codes. Bro, mobile patch tutorials, I am waiting for long time. Yes, I'm just try to make that video. Once I go to make the video, my brothers come and just tell me to do some work, so that's why I can't make that video. But now I'm just correctly setting my computer again, so that's why, or installing Unreal Engine or everything, that's why it needs some time. So once that time I'll be make the video, so don't worry. Bro, finally Google has published my game in Play Store. Very nice, that was very good. Please make that video how you do 4K texture into Android supportable texture. So you can use this basically website that is called Unreal Engine texture support and settings websites, okay. So you can basically use this website for getting reference that how Unreal Engine understand the texture quality and other stuff. So as you can see, there is a giveaway option, that resolution, that as you can see the asset pack texture is 4096 by, so you need to reduct this thing to a, you can use a 1024 texture. Make sure you don't use more than this thing, or you need a more than 3GB or 4GB Android mobile, okay, if you do that. So make sure as low resolution you set, you also size will be reduct, also with the reducting size will be get more better result or FPS and other stuff, okay. So you can use this website. Okay, please make a video. Okay, what kind of PC needs development game in Unreal Engine 4? What is your PC space? My PC space is basically, if I tell, I have extreme gaming limited edition graphics card from Nvidia, and that is 6GB. I have 16GB RAM, then I have SSD, okay, that is basically SSD. Yeah, I recently buy a new SSD. However, then my processor is Intel i5, okay, that's all, nothing so much or super, but still I get so much lag once I build the lights. Bro, my one game has rejected reason for targeted edition. What? My one game has stake reason for target additions. Okay, you should be, once you are filling the Google rights and agreements, you need to make sure you read properly and you fill up. What is your PC priority? By buzz game. ভাই বাস গেম আমি বলছি ভাই, এটার জন্য অনেক অ্যাসেট লাগবে, টাইম লাগবে, যা আমার মতে ওখানে একদমই নাই, যেটা সত্যি কথা। এই কারণে আমি এটার উপরে ফোকাস করতেছি না। আর বাস মডেলসও অনেক লাগবে, আর এগুলোর জন্য অনেক ডেভেলপার লাগবে, আর অর্থায়ন লাগবে, যা আমার কাছে একদমই নাই আপাতত ভাই। Bro, UE4 4.27 try to export it, but when I was error, I set up NDK, JDK according to your video setup. What kind of error it's showing? If it show kind of like this error, let me show you app assemble debugging. That is maybe can be show. Like, let me go in my channel, codingbanglayt, and wow, let me go in my channel. Maybe you facing this problem. That is called Android as what called is error. There's a kind of like error. You can maybe search in popular uploads that what John Aprio. As a debug. Yeah, you can check this video if you may be getting this error. That is app assemble debugging or runbed.problem. Okay, you can check this video. It will be also try to fix your problem. I uploaded a endless running game for kids and I have selected age from 15 to 18. Kids game, why it's 15 to 18? Kids are not 15 to 18. You need to should be target 7 to 3 years or kind of like that. Bro, Unreal Engine Marketplace only give 4K texture, but I can't use 4K texture in Android. Yeah, it's you can't use a 4K texture in Android. Your Android will be crash or your game will be crash even. So you need to basically just set it to compress. Okay, kind of like if you double click on the texture, currently my Unreal Engine just can't open because I don't have Unreal Engine right now. I need to install everything. So basically once you double click on the texture, so let me try to show you. Maybe there's somewhere Unreal Engine texture. If I maybe search texture, it should become texture. I just need only one for showing you. Why? There is no good reference for me to show you basically. That is for mega scan. Bro, but can't showing you because does not have any good image for I can show you. Bro, Unreal Engine 4 I have said gyroscope system by watching your video and it's not working. Why, bro? Because also you need to make sure if you create a gyroscope system, your device should be support the gyroscope. Okay, like if I tell my mom have a mobile and his mobile is a 2 GB RAM mobile, but she is a mobile. So however, so on that my mom mobile there's the mobile don't have any gyroscope system. So how a gyroscope game will be support at that one? Okay, so as which Android mobile I have right now, that have a gyroscope system, that is a fully gyroscope system have. So in my mobile the gyroscope system is working. Okay, so also you need to make sure that which device you are basically using that game, your game or your that device should be also have the gyroscope system. Okay, or it will be not work. In your FPP game, the scope when I tap it's not opening, when I hold that scope was working. Please can you tap scope? Yeah, I agree that my game has tons of bugs because you know I didn't like that game. If you search that what is called Dead Zone BD, maybe I created that game. Okay, let me search. Okay, like Unreal Engine, it should become. Okay, let's open this ones more. Okay, these ones I know that they in this game there's a tons of bugs available in the button because I personally test that once you click on fire button you can't click on aim. If you're pressing on the aim button you can't press on the fire button, because if you press on the fire button your button will become glitch. So I know that there's a tons of glitch, but I also didn't like the quality of the game, so that's why I'm not updating that game or kind of like that. I try to remove from this thing from Play Store. Please make the video on the topic. Sure, sir. We need a tutorials video for bus simulation game development tutorials in English. Basically, a basic plus bus physics and everything. Bus, next map making, house model making in Blender, etc. Oh my god, there's a tons of stuff in English tutorials. I'll try. How many times need to learn Unreal Engine 4 as basics things? Only one times, if you can understand. But my mobile is laster than what? Why in my device is not working? Bro, I have give a patch update for Android. Then also Google will review my game. Now if you do the patch update, kind of like that is a external updating system, like how PUBG use every season, like 4. Just think that PUBG new season come, season 7 or season 8. Okay, so they will be use the patch update system for their season updates, not for their official full game update. Okay, So yeah, you can use the patch update system, but Google will not review. But make sure if your patch system or your everything is illegal in Google Play Store, kind of like you add something that Google not allowed, so your game can be banned, kind of like suspend. Bro, please make a video on compressing 4K texture into Android support texture. Yeah, I promise you I will make the video, so don't worry. How 2D texture like a Delta game and choice you can see in Google. Okay, let me search. I don't know. Delta? That is Delta or Delta? I know a called game named Delta or Delta. Delta. Oh, what is this? Players, supports, carriers, games. I'm not understanding what type of game it is. It's a game, it's a 2D game. As I'm seeing 2D pictures. What is that? Seriously? Where is the comment? How to 2D texture like Delta game and choice you can see it on Google Play Store. I'm not sure. Bro, game developer use patch updates. Yes. Bro, if I take any photo from Google and if I paste in my game, then my game can be removed from what will be happen. Yes, make sure kind of like are it success. Oh, more 30 GB? Seriously? However, okay, so just think that if you search some image, okay, kind of like that, you need some image for a background, kind of like this elephant image you want for your game, but make sure that is under of copyright issues. Okay, however, it's saying that for a royalty, but you need to discuss with their website that you can use that image for Google Play Store or not, or kind of like any monetize your game or kind of like something else. Okay, so it's basically if there's any copyright issue come in your image, or your game can be or your apps can be suspended from Google Play Store, so you need to make sure that you use some copyright free any type of stuff. You should be use copyright free, kind of like if I give you an example, like NCS, they provide you non-copyright sounds, okay, or audio library, they provide you non-copyright sounds, so you can use them. Okay, it's not, it's 3D with 2D texture with choice like kill him, save him. Oh, kill him, save him, you want that? You can use a texture, kind of like you just create a simple image, and on that you can add some text, and you can basically display on kind of like a 2D image on the user widget. Okay, that is UI. Sir, please make a video on environment. What kind of environment you want? Bro, if my game removes 3 times, then what will be happen? If your games or apps will be, just think that you have 3 or 5 applications in Google Play Store, then Google just suspend your 3 apps, so then your Google Play console account will become suspend, so you need to again rebuy your console account. Okay, again you need to pay them. Wow, that is curious. City environment. Okay, I'll try because I'm also working on the city map, so yeah, I try to make some city environment, because in city there's a tons of stuff you need to use and your game performance becomes so much low. Okay, but I get 60 to 70 FPS, so I'll be share with that tips. Frozen, I like Frozen motors, but the game size is too much high, that's why. Let's see, check Unreal Engine. I don't have anything. Bro, I want to upload new game size 150 MB larger. How can I upload? You can use the Google Asset Delivery System. How I am using, kind of like if you check my game is 500 to 300 MB game. So at that thing you can basically use the Google Asset Delivery System. Most powerful, make something, learn, early access. Let's check. Let me check some about Unreal Engine. Look, you believe that is Unreal Engine, first edition, super graphics. I also want to go here, GDC 2017. I also want to go there. How to use that? What? You can you see on Google search that Wolf Among Us choice and that game have cutscenes, and are they makes more complete completed. Yeah, I also think I didn't like Among Us. How to use that, bro? I have submitted new app in Google Play. Larger size, can Google accept or not? No, if it's more than 150 MB with APK plus OBB, so Google will not allow your app or game. So basically you need to use this one, that is Google Asset Delivery System. Let me show you. If you search in Google that Google Pad, okay, Google Pad Asset DILIVAR delivery, maybe DLIVAR delivery system for UE. Okay, if you search this one, you must be find this one, that Google Asset Delivery System, and on at here you find basically the for Unreal Engine guides also. Let me show you. As you can see, there should be Unreal Engine guides also should be available. Why is the go? Okay, if you don't find like this, so don't worry, you can search in, as you can see, the http://dos@unrealengine.com. you find this website. At here you find about how you need to set up basically the Google Asset Delivery System. You can check this tons of biggest website, but let me tell you one thing, this website is not, kind of like, in your case it will be not work. Also in my case it's also didn't work. Just think that, guys, as you can see, this is appplugins.com.android assets, and these packs or that definition codes, and also there's a one more command. Let me show you why that go. Oh yeah, at here as you can see, this is one that is full. Basically this is this code for the Gradle file, but just think how you find your built Android Gradle asset pack, okay, in your Unreal Engine folder. There is a no folder available called Gradle, okay, and there's a documentation is not, my opinion is that documentation is not fully clear for understand, because as you can see they give you also a one more cooking packaging release note. You also need to read this one also for creating the Google Asset Delivery System. There's also tons of stuff you need to do, okay, like, yeah, just see, there's a tons of stuff they give you to tell for using only Asset Delivery System, but that's the only 2-click Asset Delivery System you can also open. So yeah, it's only your wish how you want to do. भाई अभी गूगल प्ले से कंसोल आईडी कहाँ, भाई गूगल प्ले कंसोल आईडी कहाँ, कितना प्राइस लग रहा है अभी खरीदने के लिए? भाई $25 ही चाहिए तुमको, इससे ज़्यादा ₹1 भी नहीं चाहिए, सिंपल सी बात है. Not Among Us, it's Wolf Among Us. Wolf Among Us? Seriously, what kind of game it is? Wolf Among Us? First time I listened this name. Wolf Among Us. Develop which engine this make? Episode 1. Platform production developer. Where is the engine? Engine Taita tool. What kind of tool it is? Hardly this is a 2D or 3D. I don't know, bro. Bro, make a video on compressing game size for Android. Yeah, sure, I try. Then you show how to do. Yeah, sure, I try. I'll try to. You are a nice developer. Just search as Wolf Among Us choice and go to image. Sure, I try next time. They made the own engine. Wow, they make their own engine. Very nice. They are a super developer. Oh my god, more 21 GB. Guys, seriously, the Unreal Engine 4 and 5 total size is more than 94.5 GB. Wow, that is more than the Call of Duty. What is called Call of Duty? What is the game name? Call of Duty Warzone. Yeah, Call of Duty, more than Call of Duty Warzone size. Oh my god, 2 engine size, that is super large. I'm currently waiting for more than 1 hour, I guess, but still, it's just transferring the data when I install the Unreal Engine. Bro, make your own game engine. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. I'm just laughing at me. It's not possible, bro. It's not possible to make my own game engine. I'll be become die. if I try to make my own game engine, I'll become die. I will die. Oh, I can also install the Visual Studio. Yeah, I forget. Visual Studio. I also want to download this thing. Visual Studio, professional community. Okay, done. Wait, I need to tell Unreal Engine Corporation. they're too size to pull. Cano. This go and tell them. And tell you, they will say you go. Just don't message us. That is Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine needs super storage. That's why I buy new house for Unreal Engine. So Unreal Engine can live easily. Oh, I need to create a folder first of all. Where is that go folder? Computer. I want to all save my new disk, that is this one. So simply call the new folder name VS Studio. Wow, what a studio name. STUDIO Studio. VS Studio. Okay, so I'll be save my every data in my VS Studio. So for Unreal Engine we must need this component, that is Unreal Engine. As you can see, this C++, and also I want to develop some applications, so I'll be download the .NET framework. Okay, others I don't need. Also you don't need to, just click on install, but I will be change the location. Simply change the location. So basically that is your ID data you can't change. You need to can download the download section. So go to FDX, GDX, VS data, save it here, C share components tool and SDK, GDX and VS code. Oh, the patch update will be not work if I install, getting ready. C component. Let me read some comment. Bro, when I set a merchant account for paid apps in Google, there's showing me paid monthly total 100. Yeah, paid monthly means Google will give me monthly. No, Google will not give. From where you have collect some so many knowledge about Unreal Engine? I just learned from YouTube. Okay, yeah, because in my country Unreal Engine or game development not so much popular. Okay, that's why. Because yeah, my country game development or software development is not super popular, kind of like if we check in India. Okay, like yeah, there's a super, everyone now can learn or make their own stuff, but in my country, oh no, I want to not install it, FDX. Stop. Modification. I want to change the location, not in my C drive. How I do right now? Oh my god. Post. Let me close this stuff. Close. Now I need to go to computer. Why this save this stuff? User / public. Oh, I need to maybe click on home. Why is the home share? Does the option will become hide file show? Yes, now it will be show me user / public. Why is the public file comes? First time I'm seeing how public files come. C drive, action, program files. Okay, let's go to program, Google. I'm not sure. Scream. Why does that go? SS Micro Visual Studio. There's the data. I don't want. Delete yourself. Okay, now I think it will be work. Let's search visual. Where is go? VI. Now see you. Okay, now it's come. Visual Studio installer. Open you Visual Studio. Remove. Okay, remove. Yes, I want to remove. Yes, remove. I don't want to install in. Okay, now it's available. Now the community installation. I need basic. First of all, let me change the location. That is this one. fdix. No, my gdix. Then Visual Studio data. Then at a workshop I need that C++ and I need the C++ for Unreal Engine. Okay, now you can install. But seriously guys, I'll be click on install, but I'll be not install full components because I also want to install some other stuff also, that's why. Okay, now it's start, so let me pause this thing because I want to. Okay, at this time it can be do. So yeah, you can remuse and download for now. When I'll install Unreal Engine, I'll be disable this thing. Your scream, yes, bro. Why Unreal Engine asset is not copy free? Why? Unreal Engine asset is all is copyright free. You can use any type of Unreal Engine Epic assets or anything. Okay, bro, but please make mobile patch tutorials. Okay, sure, I try to make the video. How much time it will be take for download, sharing more? Okay. Search Wolf Among Us choice. Okay, let me search again. Oh, it's kind of like a story type, kind of like a 2D story game. Offer a drink, damn. Oh, it's like a cartoonic lucky pawn shop. Oh, there's a kind of like a story type. You can choose this story, you can choose this one, you can choose this one. That is optional for you. Yeah, that was nice. Yes, it's a story murder game. Wow, story plus murder game. More 9 GB, seriously? I hate UHSD. I don't like UHSD. Seriously, I don't like you. Just look, my 500 MB is still already download from 3 GB. Wow. And Unreal Engine still just only as my SSD, just pasting that one. Why? आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे ऐसा में रुक जा और थम जा, क्या पता नहीं यार. तेरे बिना जीना सजा हो गया है सुनो. इश्क तेरे ता नशा हो गया सनू इश्क तेरे ता। अनरियल इंजन 5 डेमो का जंप बटन आपने डाला है? जंप बटन नहीं, मैंने नहीं डाला यार, सच्ची में मैंने जंप बटन नहीं ऐड किया। आपने बोला था, मुझे पता है, लेकिन यार मैंने जंप बटन ऐड नहीं किया क्योंकि मैं इसे पूरा ही चेंज कर रहा हूँ। ठीक है, अभी जो अनरियल इंजन 5 का जो डेमो है, ये सीन जो नेक्स्ट अपडेट आएगा उसमें फुल्ली चेंज हो जाएगा। कोई भी घर वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा। फुल्ली अनरियल इंजन का नैनाइट मैं यूज़ करूँगा, उसके अंदर लूमियन यूज़ करूँगा और अदर्स 4K 8K टेक्सचर जो भी होगा भाई मैं ट्राई करूँगा यूज़ करने में। ठीक है, अब ऑलरेडी मैंने उसका प्रोटोटाइप बना चुका हूँ। ठीक है, सो जस्ट एक्सपोर्ट करना बाकी है, तो वो करेंगे। एक्सपोर्ट भी मैंने कर लिया था, लेकिन मुझे ना APK और OBB दे दिया था। सो इसके जो प्रॉब्लम है, अगर मैं एंड्रॉयड एसेट डिलीवरी सिस्टम यूज़ करूँ, मैं इस अलग अलग से नहीं कर पाऊँगा। ठीक है, तो उसका एक प्रॉब्लम है, तो मैं अभी वो कोशिश कर रहा हूँ और डेमो टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा मुझे। एक बार डेमो टेस्ट हो जाए उसके बाद मैं कन्फर्म से उसे गूगल प्ले स्टोर के अंदर नेक्स्ट जेन का अपडेट कर दूंगा। अभी के लिए उसका बहुत बड़ा चेंजेस आने वाला है। उसके अंदर मैं थर्ड पर्सन को भी रिमूव कर दूंगा, फुल्ली एक फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लेयर होगा और हाई क्वालिटी एसेस भी मैंने ऐड कर लिया है, जैसे उससे रेंडरिंग करना बाकी है और उसको सेटअप करना बाकी है। यही करेंगे, देखते हैं क्या होता है। क्योंकि मैंने देखा गूगल प्ले स्टोर के अंदर उसका रैंकिंग बहुत अच्छा है और उसके अलावा भी यही लर्निंग जो अनरियल इंजन है उसका भी रैंकिंग अच्छा ही है। सो या प्रीटी मच एनफ गुड। ओनली मोर 6 GB, आई डोंट लाइक HHD, आई हेट यू HHD, आई वांट SSD। Come on. Very slow, only 7 to 8 Mbps, very bad. Guys, don't buy HSD, always buy SSD. Just give some price more, but always buy something good, not bad like HSD. Hi, hello, what is its name? Zombie Darkest Night. Zombie Darkest Night. Oh, nice name. Zombie Darkest Night. I really like this name. Zombie. More 555.55 GB. I'm feeling sleepy. Let me just go in kitchen and just get some food for it. Okay, I just found a cake. Tell me your BGMI. Battleground Mobile, maybe India. No, I don't play Battleground Mobile India because in my country PUBG original global version is still available. So yeah, I don't play in BGMI. Because in my country PUBG didn't ban the PUBG global version, so that's why. Oh my god, 5 GB is super slow. How much it should be for release note? Let me read some. You know हिंदी? तो हाँ भाई, मुझे अच्छी तरीके से हिंदी बोलना भी आता है, जस्ट लिखना नहीं आता. लेकिन उस इंडियन वो जो वर्ड्स होते हैं उसे मुझे लिखना नहीं आता, या फिर उससे पढ़ के बोलना नहीं आता, लेकिन ऐसे मुझे हिंदी आ जाता है. I'm making a HGMI for who loves hacking. Hangama Mobile India, kind of like that, or Hacking Game Mobile India. Which one? More 3GB. I hate USSD. Super hate USSD. Very bad. Very bad. HSD. I hate you. Nah, jelly come. Bro, if we Unity assets to Unreal Engine, then Play Store will ban me. Yes, it can be banned your game, because Unity asset is others, kind of like a other engine for rules, and Unreal Engine is other engine, okay? Kind of like another engine. So it's not legal way to use kind of like any game assets in another game engine without their permissions, okay? Hacker ground mobile India, very nice. Then your game will be banned because you are not taking any action on your game. That's why Google will ban your game. You can make game like PUBG TDM. I try to make the game like PUBG TDM, but I need to learn lots of about the AI, like the AI behaviors and other stuff, because currently now I'm using the Unreal Engine blueprint codes. But for making a high quality AI, I also need to use basically the Unreal Engine behavior tree, okay? So that is the basically big issue. But however, let me try. I'll be check. Oh, only 700 MB. I am happy. I think I can now close this stream and basically download. I can download my Unreal Engine. I not have so much experience in Unreal Engine, but I learn 9 months, 7 hours per day. I learn lots of work. Very nice. That is cool. Oh my god! I think finally this is done. I think finally. It's done. Refresh. It's downloading. And this one complete. Oh my god, after finally 5 years after, maybe no not 5 years. Theme. So where is that? Okay, where the files go? Oh, in my DDX it's come. Unreal Engine. Okay, nice. Now basically I can install the Epic launcher. So that is basically our Epic launcher, and I want to make a video. So I don't know how I can make the video. It's not possible to video make. So yeah, I think that is enough for today. See you in the next stream.